For homes with varying linear footage, adjust granular bait quantities by measuring per linear foot and scaling doses to match property size and pest pressure. Start by measuring the full linear footage of foundation perimeter, including garages and detached structures, because bait effectiveness depends on continuous protected zones. For properties under 200 linear feet, use up to 6 ounces of product total placed in evenly spaced points around the foundation, concentrating at known entry points and high moisture areas. For larger homes, extend bait quantity proportionally and do not exceed 1 pound total without reassessing site conditions, placing material in short, shallow bands or in crack and crevice openings rather than broad scattering. For irregular or multi-building sites, break the layout into segments, measure each segment, and allocate bait so no segment is underserved. This prevents localized undertreatment. Always factor pest pressure from recent activity, neighbor infestations, and seasonal conditions. Increase application toward the higher end of the range where pressure is elevated. Reduce when inspections and monitoring show low activity. Use consistent placement depth and avoid burying bait under mulch or heavy soil, which reduces availability, and check bait stability after rain or irrigation, reapplying small amounts rather than a single large dose when washout occurs. 3 common mistakes are overapplying on compact yards, which wastes product and can attract non-target animals, underapplying on sprawling properties, which leaves gaps for pests to bypass treated zones, and ignoring microhabitats like irrigation lines or dense vegetation where pests concentrate. To avoid overapplication, measure first and cap doses at 1 pound for larger sites. Spread it into multiple shallow placements instead of one mound. To prevent underapplication, map the entire linear footage and treat each segment proportionally, adding small supplemental placements near suspected entry points. For microhabitats, inspect and treat those areas specifically with targeted placements or switch to a complementary formulation designed for turf or void applications. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work related to pest control and home services. We also host a discussion community where we and our users share real site experiences, placement tips, and problem solving for granular bait strategies.